In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar here in Google Slides. So a progress bar is a great way to represent how far you've gone with a process, and it's a great representation of your data as well. So I have two examples I want to show you. Let's get started with the first one. So here we have a process of 4 steps, and we have the progress bar to represent that. So we have 25%, we are still mixing the ingredients to create this bread. 50% would be to knead it and to let it rise. 75% is to shape and then to let it rise again. And finally, to bake it and cool it before slicing. Our next progress bar would look like this. So we have the percentage and an image of that same process right here. So this would definitely depend on how you want to represent your data. And there we have it. So how do we create these progress bars? Well, basically I've used one shape for this one, and that's the rectangle, and for this one, a rounded rectangle. So we go ahead and recreate this. Let's start with a blank slide right here. To create your progress bar, just go to Shapes here in the toolbar. Select the shape that you want to use. Let's go ahead and do rounded rectangle. And here's our first progress bar. So depending on how many steps you want to create for that progress bar, for this one, I'm just going to create 4. And here is the first shape right here. If I'm going to duplicate this, I'm just going to quickly press on Control, then drag it down as many times as I want or I need for that progress bar. There you have it. Make sure they are centered. There we go. And all I have to do now is to adjust how long this other 3 shapes would be to represent those progress. So let's say that's 50%, 75%, and 100%. If you want to be precise, you can always resize it to your liking, but this is how I want it to look. And I'm going to select everything to format it. Remove that border color and select a bright color for those shapes. And now to just add those numbers or text within those shapes, all you have to do is to double click inside, and you can definitely type whatever you want or need inside those shapes. There you have it. I'm just going to format it as well. Make it as visible as possible. Change the font if you want to, even the color, and there you have it. So I'm just going to copy the format of my text by using the paint format right here. There we go. I can actually just double click on that. And there you have it. So now if I type in, it will have the same format as my first one. So that's not 75, that's 50. This would be 75. And this would be 100. And now you can just add your texts or images, whatever you need for your progress bar. So after you've added those texts or images, you can now simply just animate them by selecting one of those shapes, go to More right here and select Animate. Select the animation you want for that shape. Let's have it fly in from the right. There we go. On click, 1.5 seconds. Next one, add animation, same thing, fly in from right, on click, duration of 1.5 seconds, and do this with the rest of your shapes. Now that we're done with our animations, if you want to preview, just click on play. And there we have it. So that's how you can quickly and easily create a progress bar here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.